stop. Whatever you're doing right now, stop. Because in the next 7 minutes, I'm about to hand you a blueprint that people are paying thousands of dollars to learn. $500, your first month. Using AI tools that are sitting on your phone right now collecting dust. While you've been scrolling, liking, and double tapping, other people have been quietly stacking cash using the exact same phone you're holding. No degree, no experience, no excuses. This is not motivation. This is not inspiration porn. This is a step-by-step breakdown of exactly how to go from $0 to $500 in 30 days using AI. And I'm giving it to you for free. So if you're ready to actually do something about your situation, keep watching, because this changes everything. Welcome to AI Money Moves, where we don't just talk about making money, we show you how to make it. Smash that subscribe button right now, because what's coming next in this video is going to blow your mind. Let's get it. Step 1. Pick your weapon. Because that's exactly what AI is, a weapon. And right now, most people are bringing a knife to a gunfight. Here are your 3 most lethal options for hitting $500 in month 1. Option A, AI resume writing. People are desperate to get hired. They will pay you $50, $75, even $100 just to fix their resume. ChatGPT does the heavy lifting. You collect the cash. 10 clients, $500, done. Option B, AI voiceover services. Every YouTuber, every advertiser, every business needs voiceovers. 11 Labs generates them in seconds. You sell them for $20 to $100 a pop. The demand is insane right now. Option C, AI social media content. Businesses are bleeding money trying to stay relevant on social media. You use ChatGPT to create their content. They pay you $150 to $200 a month. Get 3 clients. Hit $500 easy. One weapon. Pick it. Master it. Attack. Step 2. Build your money machine in 30 minutes flat. Go to Fiverr.com. Free account. Free to set up. Free to list your services. Now here's where most people mess up. They write boring, generic gig titles. Don't do that. Your title needs to be a search magnet. Something like, I will write a powerful ATS optimized resume that gets you hired fast. See the difference? That title speaks directly to what the buyer wants. Your gig description? Let ChatGPT write it. Seriously. Type, write me a high-converting Fiverr gig description for AI resume writing, and watch it spit out gold. Your thumbnail? Canva. 10 minutes. Make it clean, bold, and professional. Start at $50. Get reviews, raise your price. Simple. 30 minutes to set up, a lifetime of income. Let's go. Step 3. Don't wait for clients. Hunt them. This is where 99% of people fail. They set up their Fiverr gig and just sit there waiting. Days go by. Nothing happens. They give up. Not you. Go to Facebook. Search Job Seekers Support Group. There are groups with millions of desperate job hunters in them. These people need resume help right now. Post this message, and I mean literally copy this. Hey everyone, I help job seekers land interviews with AI-powered resumes. I'm offering free resume reviews this week. Drop a comment or DM me. Free. Yes, free. For your first 3 clients, work for free or heavily discounted. Because those first reviews on Fiverr are worth more than gold. One 5-star review changes everything. It builds trust. It brings more clients. It snowballs. Send 20 outreach messages today. Do it right now after this video. Not tomorrow. Today. Step 4. Deliver work so insane they tell all their friends about you. Here's your exact 20-minute workflow. 1. Client sends you their old resume and target job description. 2. You paste both into ChatGPT. Prompt: rewrite this resume to be ATS optimized, keyword rich, and tailored for this specific job. Make it powerful and professional. 3. ChatGPT delivers a jaw-dropping resume in seconds. 4. You spend 10 minutes polishing and personalizing it. 5. Export as a clean PDF. Deliver. Collect your 5-star review. 20 minutes. $50. That's $150 an hour using free tools. Tell me another job that pays $150 an hour with zero experience required. I'll wait. Step 5. Take your $500 and turn it into something unstoppable. Here's the math that will keep you up at night. 10 resume clients at $50 each. That's your $500. Month 1, done. Month 2, you have reviews. You raise your price to $75. Now you only need 7 clients for $525. Month 3, more reviews. Price goes to $100. 7 clients, $700. Month 4, you add a second service. Now you're making money from 2 income streams simultaneously. Month 6, you're not making $500 anymore. You're making $2,000, $3,000. Some people hit $5,000 a month doing exactly this. And the craziest part? You're still using the same free tools. ChatGPT, 11 Labs, Canva, Fiverr. The tools didn't change. You changed. Your consistency changed. Your skills changed. Your confidence changed. That is the real secret nobody talks about. So there it is, the exact 5-step blueprint to your first $500 using AI. Step 1, pick your weapon. Step 2, build your money machine. Step 3, hunt your first client. Step 4, deliver and dominate. Step 5, scale to unstoppable. The blueprint is in your hands right now. The only question is, are you going to use it? Drop a rocket emoji in the comments if you're starting today. I want to see who's serious about changing their life. And if you want a full deep dive tutorial on any of these steps, subscribe and comment which step you need help with. I'll make a video specifically for you. Share this with someone who needs to stop sleeping and start winning. I'll see you in the next one. Let's get this money.